Welcome to another video in Travel Small, Live Big's Campground Favorite series, and welcome to Palmetto Island State Park in Abbeville, Louisiana. They named this perfectly because this is literally an island of palmettos. You can see they're all behind me. They're everywhere here.
Hi, I'm Heather, this is Jim, and this is Sierra, our rescue pup. She is a handful. We've lived what would be considered an alternative lifestyle for 30 years, on sailboats. We slowly moved up, cruised the west coast of Mexico twice, and now, for the first time in many years, are boatless. The three of us are full-time in our small travel trailer. We started our adventure in our RPod 177 and then moved up to our Imagine 17 MKE. We are Travel Small, Live Big. Join us as we share our new RV, our campground information videos, and our exploring of the United States.
We are set up in site number 3, and in February of 2022, with our senior discount, reservation fee and tax, paid $13.75 a night for water and electricity, and there is a dump station here. The campground's huge. There are 96 sites. The red ones have sewer, I'm thinking about a dozen, and there are 3 camp hosts on site. We'll take a walk around the campground. These sites are all super long. Any size rig would fit. And some of the ones that were here this weekend were huge. I think that was my dog. A dog's walking by. This place was packed over the weekend. It was packed. There was maybe about 10 empty sites. Some of these sites had giant fifth wheels that were towing a trailer with a golf cart on them, which is not something you see in California. Golf carts are very popular here in the South, though. This is the inner loop. The campground's set up on 2 long roads with turnarounds on the ends. Inner loop ones sort of face the road on this side. On the outer side, they face away, which is what I always prefer. In the early number sites, they seem to be spread apart a little further down in this section. They're a little closer. It was quite the party here on Friday and Saturday night. Uh-oh. There is a small playground for what I would say very small kids. 2 bathhouses with laundry, and probably the best 2 book exchanges I've seen in a long time. And I love that little detail that they have throughout the park. There are 3 ponds connected by a canoe trail, which I chose not to do because I would have had to do it by myself. I can't leave Sierra in the truck or trailer that long, and we certainly can't take her swimming with alligators. There's also canoe rentals, cabins, and some backpack-in sites. Lots of trails to walk, really a cool park.
And an armadillo right behind our site. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hey, leave us a comment so that we know that you are here. And as always, thanks for watching. And stick around, we're heading into Texas next.